What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage, and today I'm going to be working on an LG front loading washing machine, and let me take you over there and show you what it's doing. Alright, so here we have it. We got our washer and dryer, but right now the washing machine ain't working that well. And this machine right here, let's take a look, is the LG. This is the model WM2301HR. Says so right there, but check it out. Let's take a look inside here. We're gonna give it a spin, and this is what I hear. I don't know about y'all, but that don't sound right. And let me turn it on and show you what it does. Let's go ahead and get this thing to spin. So you hear, look at that ain't good. So you hear that motor spinning, but the drum ain't spinning. So for this fix, all you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver and a 17mm socket or wrench, okay? So let's go ahead and go to the back of this thing. So right here on the back of this thing, you got 4 bolts. We got one here, one here, one here, and one here. So let's go ahead, we're gonna take them off right now. Okay, and we'll lift up and pull it down. And this is our problem right here. This is the rotor. Look at it. You see it? Look at it. Our bolt's even loose. We don't even. This is a 17mm bolt, but it's already loose. Just slides right off. All right, now we got our rotor out. Let's take a look in there. As you can see, the splines on it have been kind of rounded off and ground flat. So that gear cannot get in there and spin this rotor, which turns the drum inside. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link in the description for this part. I got it on Amazon. It's about 90 bucks, which is a lot cheaper than a new washer. So as soon as the package gets here, we're gonna throw it in, fire this thing up, pour some water in it since it's out in the garage, and see if it goes through all the cycles and drains and all that good stuff. So hang on, and I'll be right back. What's up, guys? So my package finally came, but it's late and it's dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, compare the two, see if they look the same, throw it on, fire this thing up, see if it fixed it. So let's go ahead. Let me sit you down here. Just like that. Here's my box. So let's take a look here. So there it is. Let's come around here. So like I was saying, so check it out. This is the new one. They look nice. Look right through it, see that? All right. So there they are. They look the same. All right, let's throw it on. So we got the new one here. We got a boy in his undies. So just tapping it on here. We got our 17mm. You see our lock washer here. It's compressed, so this should hold the bolt in place. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna fire this thing up. Kind of hard to see, but check it out. Alright guys, so got me a bucket of water here. I'm gonna pour it in the machine. I'm gonna hit the drain cycle, and I'm gonna see this thing spin, kick the water out, you know, and if it passes the test, great. See, we got our water in there. We're gonna go ahead. What do we want to do? We want to drain it. Is that fascinating, Levi? Look at that thing. That thing's jamming. Now we get our pan. We're gonna put this back on. So slide it up. So there you guys go. That is one way to fix your front-loading washing machine. If the thing ain't spinning and you hear an awful grinding noise, most likely that's what it is. So instead of paying a repairman or getting a new washer, you know, spend a lot of money, you know, this is actually pretty easy. It takes about 5 minutes to do this. I'm not sure about all the other brand washers, but for the LG, this model, simple. Like I said, about 90 bucks to get the new part. Worked great. You heard it when I replaced it. I can't even hear that washer spinning anymore. It's so quiet, so smooth, man. But unfortunately, I already bought a new washer and dryer because my wife wanted a top-loading washer. So this set right here, these LGs, will be gone. They are fixed. They will be for sale. And yeah, easy repair. I'm glad I did it. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up on the video if you liked it. And remember, I will see you on the next video.